Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
This pot and pan set from TIAJO has been a total game changer in my house. This set is so amazing. It comes with so many things. There are 10 pieces that it comes with, and they're all so useful, so functional, and they look beautiful. I'm really obsessed with this steamer right now. It is such a helpful tool to have in your kitchen when cooking. I just love everything that this set comes with. The utensils are really nice, the handles feel amazing, and you really get everything that you need in this set with the spatula that is so great to use, the tongs there, and the ladle. They're all silicone, which is fantastic. It's easy to set up the different pieces. It comes with everything you need, even a screwdriver, so you are totally set to go out of the box. We have such a good time cooking with these, and the oven mitts are super cute too. I absolutely love them. I think this design is so beautiful. The beige color with that speckled pattern is so nice. Everything is just really high quality, and we really like it a lot. And the fact that they are induction is so great because we have an induction cooktop. It's so great cooking dinner and just having these fantastic pots and pans, knowing that they are so easy to use. They're going to be very easy to clean up as well. You have your oven mitts, you have everything that you really need in this set, and they are absolutely beautiful. So good to clean up. We have been enjoying these so much. I really love this set from TIAJO, and I definitely recommend it.
And that's my point of view.